Trust me, you are not prepared for what this magic wand can do. It automatically organized everything for you. I cannot emphasize to you enough how much time this is going to save you. You are no longer losing time on the boring admin stuff that you hate doing, and instead you can just do everything and it feels like you have superpowers. You're not ready for this new tool I discovered. It's an ADHD brain's best dream because I am used to having everything scattered and having to go through all this boring admin work just to get my stuff done. But my brain doesn't operate in a way where everything is structured. I need this scattered creativity. And this tool takes all of that and auto-organizes it for you so you can focus on the creative work. It's so cool. I'm going to show you how it works. This is cosmic. It is such a game changer for researchers, students, user researchers, designers. I can't wait to show you what it does. So I am gonna show you an example of what I use it for. So let's create a new universe. I love how they call it universes. It's so cute. And let's say you want to go to Pinterest or Wikipedia or whatever. Let's say you're planning something or looking for inspiration for your next design. I actually am working on a course and I'm looking for inspiration for, let's say, the brand identity of the course. So let me put online course. Ooh, okay, interesting. Online course aesthetic. Okay, I love this look. This is like professional. This is like, you know, it's screaming organization. This is the brand identity I want. I'm so inspired right now. So let's say I want this in my universe. So I'm gonna click on this button over here and it brings the image in. I cannot tell you how much time this is gonna save me because in the past I was always like, okay, let me screenshot this image or let me save this image into my downloads folder, which is like thousands of photos and videos long. Now you can do that with one click and you are not ready for what's about to come, okay? Let me show you a few more photos. So let's say I'm bringing some photos in. If you're worried about saving the URL of these photos, don't worry. This platform does it for you. Okay, see, I have like all these photos here, right? Let's say I'm done researching for this brand identity, like I'm done with the pictures now. Let's do something else. How to make a course. How to create an online course in 10 steps. Okay, that sounds interesting. So let's say I am researching about the topic of my course. I'm researching about how to make a course. Okay, this part where it says conduct user research. I'm like, wait, this is such a good learning. I need to conduct user research to understand the students who are gonna take my course. I want to save this learning, so I just click that. Boom, the text is literally there. I no longer have to copy paste and find the correct document to copy paste into. Like when I tell you I had so many pages of documents, one with the mood board, one with the course details, like it was just too much. Now everything's in one canvas. You can still stay in flow, like you're still doing your research. I'm like, okay, user research tools, what are these? And let me save this entire section. I just click it and it brings it to here. Now, let's say we want to write a note to ourselves. I'm clicking this text button here and writing here like, my course will be about... Okay, this is actually a real course. I'm actually gonna make a course. So I'll just say what the real course is, which is, it will be about how to create content as an overwhelmed ADHD business owner. So this is for all the newsletter writers, all of the high-ticket coaches who want to create short-form content because video is the future. I am going to put this here. I'm going to upload a PDF file of my previous life tracking course landing page. So this page was on Notion. I just exported it as a PDF because I'm like, I'm not gonna spend all my time copy pasting and screenshotting. So I exported it, it's a PDF, I put it in this document. And now are you ready for the magic? All I'm gonna do is select everything and there's this thing, it can auto organize it for you nicely and look at this lightning bolt, okay? When you press it, look at how it organizes it for you. Okay, obviously you might have more information, like you would organize all your research after you're done. It's just for the purposes of this example, I don't want to spend too much time on it. It automatically organized everything for you. It's saying like, this is your workspace and planning vibe. This is your course promotion vibe. If you had more info here, like if you picked out fonts, if you picked out colors, I think the AI could have worked better and been like, okay, this is where like the brand identity, and then this is like everything about how to make an online course. It even reads like, it knows what's inside the PDF, and if you're like searching for something, it'll know what the PDF says. They have auto tags. Look at this description, okay? It knows what is in this PDF. So when I'm searching, like my sticky notes do not have something that says gamification, but the PDF has something like that. When I use the search and I'm searching gamification, I'm not having to sift through thousands of files in my downloads folder trying to search for that gamification thing. AI is automatically tagging that based on what's in the PDF file. Like I don't even need to have the word gamification in the PDF file. It knows the topic. Super cool. I have to go back to my other example. So this is something that I did I basically just screenshotted all of my testimonials from my previous course because I'm going to be using the testimonials and feedback to improve my new course and also to promote my new course. So I did this whole categorization thing and I clicked this magic wand thing. Trust me, you are not prepared for what this magic wand can do. It can make you a chart. It can make you a transcript if you had uploaded a video link or saved a video link in here. You can ask it to explain stuff. Oh my gosh, if I had this when I was a student, it would have saved my life. You can, like, let's say you're stuck on researching a particular topic, you can click on recommended search and it can tell you this is what you search for a similar topic. Like if you uploaded your lecture notes from your professors, you can click on recommended search and use that as inspiration to get started instead of being stuck in analysis paralysis. You can grab some quotes, comparison, key themes, and summary. So for this one, I believe I put key themes. I have all these screenshots of feedback. There's like so many testimonials, my brain cannot handle it. I'm very grateful for all my wonderful students who left testimonials, but it's like so much. So this saves me time because it's like, here are the key themes that your students are telling you about in this feedback. And I'm like, oh wow, this is actually so helpful when it comes to planning because now I can see what stood out to my students and what I could bring to my second course that they liked. It's so good, like ChatGPT could never. And it literally recognizes what's in these screenshots. Like these are all screenshots. I'm not copy pasting the text over. It saves me so much time. Okay, so now I have opened my PDF. Let's say there's something here that I want to call out specifically. So I am going to press this. And just like before, I'm going to highlight this entire section and click extract. Oh my god, okay, it actually extracted. This is like my first time doing this, by the way. I'm just like, there's so many cool features here. Let's say you have a bunch of PDFs because your professor assigned a lot of readings, or like you just have so many like user feedback forms that you need to analyze. You can actually go back to the original PDF section that I came from. Like everything is always connected. So if you have thousands of PDFs in your file and you're like, wait, where did this screenshot extract thing came from? Just click this and it opens up the same PDF. The amount of time that I wasted looking through my PDFs is like wild. So I cannot emphasize to you enough how much time this is going to save you. And like the sponsor is not paying me to say this, but like I just love this tool so much because I see the potential and I'm super grateful that they are sponsoring me. The tool is called Cosmic, so I will be leaving the link in the description and in the first comment, so please check it out because I'm so excited about this. This is so cool. Let's say now you have all of these notes and all of these universes. The way that I always structure this is like each universe is its own project. So like one would be like maybe one class, and then this other one is like my project for this new course I'm making. Let's say I want to search something. Gamification. What? Okay, literally it pulled out the PDFs. I actually have the PDFs in multiple universes. So I pulled out both of them and it pulled out this specific testimonial from somebody who mentioned that exact word, gamification. I hope you are as amazed as I am. Like I cannot believe a tool like this exists and that is just wow. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is that you can actually share this with people. Let's say I want to publish this and you can use my universe as a template for yourself. I can publish this and anybody with this link can now duplicate it. If you're collaborating with group project members that are useless, you can literally send them this link and then they can like go in and like make edits if they want. Or if you are a user researcher and you need to get your boss to take a look at something, you can just share this with them and collaborate. It's like, no offense to some of the other tools out there, but this is like way better because it has everything that you could ever want. There is also this really cool AI agent that'll save you so much time. You can ask it to find related content for you and organize your content so it's like all the boring admin work that you don't want to do, which is literally what AI is supposed to help you with. All the boring stuff that you don't want to do. So I'm gonna ask it, what are some positive testimonials my students have? Okay, it literally summarized everything here that I need based on the pages and pages of feedback. I would not only use this for work, like for user research and for like studying and learning stuff, I would also use it for my personal life, like my random hyper-focus modes where I'm suddenly researching interior design or something and I'm pulling out these pictures, but also pulling out the theories behind interior design. I'm like, what is feng shui? And then like, instead of copy pasting and screenshotting these articles, I'm just gonna use their embedded browser. It literally like combines the image stuff and the text stuff. Like, this is so good for the ADHD brain because suddenly here it is. It also links back to the original search query, like the original URL. You will never lose a tab again. It's just so exciting. I wish more people knew about this tool. I'm not just saying that because they sponsored me, because I actually think this is the coolest tool ever. I don't know, maybe my video convinced you, maybe it didn't. I would highly recommend trying it out anyway because there's no harm, right? The title of this website is Cosmic, which is just like, it makes sure you are not breaking your flow. Like if you have thousands of tabs open, you're like in the zone, and then suddenly you have to like find that one tab and it's like you don't know which tab it is. You're trying to like find things, but no, this is like everything's there. AI organizes it for you. You can search for everything you need. You are no longer losing time on the boring admin stuff that you hate doing, and instead you can just do everything and it feels like you have superpowers. So again, highly recommend testing it. I am not a gatekeeper, but I almost want to gatekeep this because it's just so good. But I hope this company succeeds because I talked to the founder and he's very sweet. Oh yeah, it's based in Paris too. So please do check them out. I will leave the link in the description. I'll have a QR code to them somewhere here and also in the pinned comment. So yeah, hopefully you learned something new today. I will see you in the next video.